Hello everyone, and welcome to the Pitter Patter Landscape YouTube channel. This is a video from Christmas Day. We had about a 5 to 8 inch snowfall with some weird temperatures, so it made it pretty heavy. It was what they call heart attack snow. Everyone on YouTube calls it, at least. Super slushy. This is actually my second time plowing this lot. I'm kind of new to the commercial scene, down a lot of residentials and stuff, so still kind of trying to figure out where my routes are, how to plow it, what to plow where, and obviously that's just a learning curve for me for sure. But I enjoy it. I have a lot of fun with it, so I'm willing to make mistakes and put things in wrong places for a little bit before I actually worry about timing for sure, because I'm definitely, the first time around I was about an hour on this lot, and I know this time I think I was closer to like an hour and a half because there was so much snow and it was just so heavy. But once again, enjoy. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments. Talk to you soon. unfortunately, my GoPro battery is about to die here, but hope everyone enjoyed this video, and please, if you liked it, come back, like and subscribe, and everyone have fun and stay safe out there.